Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I promised I'm going to be sending or making the tutorial of this big bowl in my other video, which I have not, and I also made this one. I apologize for it. So without wasting so much time, let's go ahead and create this beautiful big bow for our gowns, and I will see you at the end of the video. And if you haven't seen the tutorial of this gown, please check it out in my channel. I'll try to put it in the description box. Both the gown, both of them tutorials are in my channel, and let's get straight to it. So I'm going to measure where we want to put our bow. So that's one, that red fabric, I'm going to insert the picture so that you remember what I'm talking about. You also measure how much fabric you want to, how much bow you want to have. So for here, I want the bow to be about 9 inches. So I have my fabric here that I've already cut out. So I have 10 inches by, let's just say 10 by 10 or 10 by 9.5, or just say 10 by 10 because it's a bow. So I have two of it here. So I'm going to be stitching down this way all around. So by the time I stitch it down all around, you have 9 inches. So let's go and stitch it. Then for the other strap of bow, of whatever that is there, so this is where my bow is going to sit. So I'll just measure from there to the hem of the gown. So I have about 14 inches. I don't want it to be too long. So I hope this 14 inches is not too long. So I'm going to go ahead and measure 28 inches. You know the thing is 2, so it's going to cross over, so it's 28 inches. So I'll go ahead. You see that if you don't have a long fabric of 28 inches, just measure 14 into 2 and then join it. So I have, let me see if I have up to 28 inches plus my stitching allowance. So I just have 28, no stitching allowance. So I'll just measure 15 into 2, and then for the width of it, I'll be doing 3 inches. I don't want it to be too wide, or you can do 3.5 inches, then use half inch to stitch it. So we have 3.5 inches by 28. That's what we are going to go ahead and. So guys, I've not gone ahead to cut out. So I have 7 inches by 15 inches, 15 inches on fold. So I'll be joining this. I don't have a long strap of fabric, so I'll join this from here by half of an inch, and then the other half I'll use it to turn this place. So once I join it, I'll then open it up to a long strap of fabric, and then I'll fold it this way, and then I'll stitch like this all the way around. I'll be leaving opening at the center to turn it to the right side. And also the bow, I'll stitch it this way, and then I'll leave some opening to turn it to the right side. So for this, I have this that we used to like holding the bow and the sister bow. So I'll fold it this way. I have 2 inches by, the length doesn't matter so far it's to be able to cross round. So I'll fold it this way, stitch it, and then turn it to the right side. So guys, this is what you have. Something like that, turn it this way, guys. Open. I'll go ahead and turn this and the other small one that I keep looking for every time. So I'll turn both. So guys, this is what we have. So you go ahead and close up this open place. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to create our bow. So I'll be folding mine. You can use your hand stitches, your hand needle. So what I'm doing is just fold, fold, fold. You can use your hand needle to create these stitches. Fold. So this is what we have. I'm going to redo this after closing up that open place. So this is what we have for the bow. So once you are done, you bring in this joining. Have already given way to me to know where the middle is. But if you don't, your own doesn't have joining, you find the middle, and then you're going to just fold a bit of it so that it's easier to attach. Then you place it under the big bow this way. So once you place it this way, you can see. Then you pick up your thread. I've already folded my thread into 2 so that it's strong enough, and you're going to tie this together firmly. So you're going to tie it round firmly. After tying it, I'm going to redo this. That's why I'm not tying it. So guys, this is what we have. I've already gone ahead to tie this firmly. In fact, when I say firmly, don't want it to lose. So I'll bring in this strap of fabric and then I'll place it this way. And then I'll stitch it at the back and then I'll turn it to the right side. So this is where we have our stitching line. That's what is facing us. So by the time we stitch it down, then we'll turn it so that this place will be inside. So guys, this is what we have. So I'll go ahead and iron out all of them. What after ironing is to attach your bow to it. And that's it for this style. I hope you find value and you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my videos to family and friends, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, give me a thumbs up. I don't even know what I'm saying again, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.